If you are watching this video, I would like to advise you that if you are not super rich, please don't waste your time by watching this video, because we are going to record this video only for the super elite class, because the prices of this property are starting from $1 million, and the apartment which we are standing right now is worth $17 million. You believe? $17 million. Why it is so expensive? There are certain reasons. If you were born 100 years ago here in Istanbul, Turkey, and you would prefer to live in the neighborhood of sultans of Turkey, you would choose this area. But of course, you are living in this modern era. And in this modern era, if you want to be the neighbor of royal families of the world, you would have to select your residence in this project. So, first question to Nilofer Hanum, I would like to ask you, if my client is going to spend $17 million, so what they will be getting other than this property?
First of all, they have a most luxurious home in Istanbul with a Bosphor view. And second of all, they have a luxurious services like concierge system.
Okay.
If your client want to take a limousine, helicopter, they want to go to the Beyonce concert, whatever they want, they can just call to the reception and we will prepare for them.
So helicopter, limousine is just away only one call.
Right.
Oh
to
my
the reception.
God. So can you please describe this area as well?
Of course. Here we are in a Nişantaşı, in a center of Istanbul. You know, Nişantaşı is a center of fashion, luxurious restaurant, luxurious property, and modern galleries.
Okay.
We can tell that most of the important people like celebrities, politic people, they will choose this area for living.
Okay.
And also, we are in the most valuable land of Nişantaşı. The project is, we are next to the 𝐂𝐤𝐤𝐻 Pavilion, 𝐂𝐤𝐤𝐻, which it was a favorite place of Ottoman sultans. They were choosing this place for hunting and for relaxing.
Oh my God.
So if you buy a house here, you will be the neighbor of the Ottoman sultans.
So if you are a millionaire in dollars, just give us a call and we are waiting for you in our
Office.
Thank you.